In this video, you will be learning about India's first indigenous air-to-air missile, Astra. So let's get started. Astra. Astra is a Sanskrit word which literally means weapon thrown as a projectile. This is an Indian all-weather beyond visual range air-to-air missile that is developed by DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. It is the first air-to-air missile developed by India regardless. It is designed to be capable of engaging targets of both short range of up to 10 kilometers and long range of up to a distance of 110 kilometers. It has been integrated with India's Sukhoi 30 MKI currently and will be integrated with India's future aircraft such as the HAL Tejas, MiG-1, MiG-29 and Dassault Mirage 2000. The real production of Astra missiles had begun in 2017. Astra's older design resembled Matra Super 530D and Wimpel R77 in a few aspects. Astra is 12 feet long with a diameter of 7 inches and weighs 154 kg. This missile uses initial guidance driven by fiber optic gyroscope with terminal guidance through active radar homing. It is capable of receiving course corrections through a secure data link. The missile's active radar is the homing range of 25 km is supplied by Agat and will be manufactured locally. The seeker can lock on to a target the radar's cross-section of 5 meters from a distance of 15 km and enables off-bore side launches to an angle of 45 degrees. Some tests have been conducted in 2017 and 2018 using an indigenous seeker developed by Research Center Imarat. Astra is equipped with electronic countermeasures to allow operation even during enemy attempts to jam the seeker using electronic countermeasure. It carries a 15 kg high explosive pre-fragmented warhead activated by proximity fuse. The missile uses a solid fuel motor that can propel the missile to a speed of excess of more than Mach 4 times the speed of sound, and allow operation from a maximum altitude of about 20 km, 66,000 feet. The maximum range of Astra is 110 km in head-on chase mode and 20 km in tail chase mode. The maximum range achieved when the missile is launched from an altitude of 3 km. When it is fired from an altitude of 2 km, the range drops to 44 km. And when it is launched from sea level, the range drops further to 21 km. Astra's low aspect ratio alarm wings allow it to engage maneuvering targets up to a target of 90 km in head-on chase and kilometers in tail chase mode. This missile can be launched in both autonomous and buddy mode operation and can lock on its target before or after it is launched. The development of this missile had begun by 1990 by the completion of a feasibility study on the building of a BVR missile. Astra was revealed to the public for the first time at Aero India 1998. It was described as an elongated Matra Super 530D with a small diameter in the front of the wings. The project to develop Astra missile was officially sanctioned in 2004, the budget of 955 crores. This project was to be led by Defense Research and Development Laboratory with assistance of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Electronics Corporation of India Limited. The initial version of Astra reportedly weighed 300 kg with a range of 25 to 40 km and was planned to be integrated with HAL Tejas. It was tested for the first time in May 2003. The missile was redesigned around 2006 due to control issues and performance deficiencies at high altitude. The initial design of 4 cruciform short span long chord wings were replaced with cropped delta wings placed near the nose. The redesigned missile had an improved propulsion system and was tested for the first time in 2008. By 2013, the missile had been redesigned again in response to multiple failures caused by adverse interactions with flight control surfaces. The control guidance and propulsion systems were also reconfigured. After the second redesign, the missile was lighter than the initial version by around 130 kg. It was tested from the ground twice in December 2012, and captive trials from a Sukhoi 30 MKI were held in April 2013. Astra completed final development trials in 2017 and was cleared for production at Bharat Dynamics Limited, Banur, Telangana, for an initial order of 50 missiles. An additional order of 240 missiles were placed for Indian Air Force and Indian Navy for use on various platforms such as Sukhoi 30 MKI, MiG-1, MiG-29, MiG-29K of the Indian Navy, MiG-29 of the Indian Air Force and HAL Tejas, taking the total number to 208 missiles. Now, how many variants were the missile developed? It was developed into air. After the deployment of Astra Mach 1, several offshoot versions are being planned, including visual range imaging infrared homing missile tentatively classified as Astra IR, whereas trials for longer range of Astra Mach 3 and a further development of Astra Mach 3 is being carried out by DRDO. Astra Mark II will use dual pulse solid rocket motor for extended range and better kinetics during the kill phase. The missile will share smokeless propulsion of its predecessor Astra Mark I, while inheriting newer technologies being implemented in other missile programs such as Rudra 1 and Barak 8 of DRDO. They plan to increase the range of Mk2 to 160 km, rivaling American AMRAAM AIM-120D. Astra Mark II variant will use the indigenous seeker manufactured by Bharat Electronics Limited. The testing for Mk Mark II is scheduled to be in the second half of 2022, with focus on improving the range of the use of dual pulse motor and increasing the indigenous content to 100% in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. A future variant Astra Mark III is also being planned. As of right now, the sole operators of the Astra BVR missile remain is Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. And also the fact that the flight trials on the indigenous built HAL Tejas, the integration and firing of Astra from HAL Tejas will begin in the first half of 2021. Even this missile has already been offered to Vietnam and other nations for the use on their fighter jets, such as Vietnam's Sukhoi series of fighters. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please remember to like and subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification button. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.